Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to spot for everything related to fashion, textiles, and the apparel industry. Today, we're diving into a key topic: garments merchandising types. If you're an aspiring merchandiser, fashion student, or just curious about how the fashion supply chain works, this video is made just for you.
The Trifles, the best.
What is garments merchandising? Garments merchandising is the process of managing everything from product development, sourcing, production planning, to timely delivery. It ensures that the right product reaches the right market at the right time, and at the right cost. Merchandisers act as a bridge between buyers and manufacturers. Types of garments merchandising. Fashion merchandising. This deals with trend forecasting, product design, and retail planning. Fashion merchandisers work closely with designers and marketing teams to ensure collections align with market demands. Production merchandising. Production merchandisers are involved in order execution, from raw materials to final delivery. They coordinate with suppliers, monitor timelines, and ensure quality standards are met. Retail merchandising. Retail merchandisers focus on in-store planning, product display, and inventory management. They aim to boost sales through effective visual merchandising and stock control. Export merchandising. This type manages international orders, including communication with overseas buyers, handling documentation, and shipment tracking. Buying merchandising. Buyers work with brands and wholesalers to select the right mix of products for stores. They predict trends, analyze consumer behavior, and negotiate with suppliers. If you're looking to get into the industry, choose the merchandising type that aligns with your interest, whether it's design, production, or business. Each path plays a vital role in the global fashion ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fashion industry content, and hit the bell icon for updates. Comment below and tell us, which type of merchandising are you most excited about? Until next time, stay stylish and stay curious.